The front of the house. Lighting's a little weird. There's our front door. That's the garage doors. Keep it closed for now.
No, I want it closed.
Okay, this is the entrance.
I want it closed open.
It's weird. Sorry, I'm not a good filmer. Around the first corner, this is the kids. It's gonna be the kids' playroom. It's empty now. We're just waiting for the moving truck now. Kids' playroom. Emmy, put your dress back on. Down this way. Some closets. Kids' room or office. Another room. Washer and dryer. There's the bathroom. Hello. This is the master bedroom. Yeah, we'll go outside in 1 minute, okay?
1 minute.
Here, let's not touch the walls. We just painted. You found the other potty?
Yeah.
Shower. Hello. And this is the outside. Some closets. Long hallway. Turn. Sadie. Hallway.
You want to go outside? Okay.
There's a dining room. Kitchen. Windows. Here's the kitchen. All the food they left for us because they're friendly people. Go around. This is the living room. Nice fireplace. Lots of windows. Kids playing outside. Our backyard. Here we go. Nice outside. Hello. Emmy does not eat plums that are on the ground.
You can have one off the tree.
Here.
Please.
We have to go wash them off though.
Daddy, go wash off and he'll bring it back to you.
This is your guys' new backyard. That's Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. Uh-oh. Alright.